Hi everybody, I'm JT. Welcome to the NEC in Birmingham and another quick video walk around of one of the amazing vans that we had a look at here. And now the ones that I guess are our favourites, which is the Westfalias. So we've been looking at these for a long time, looking at the quality, the layout, the finish, and I guess probably also the link with our Volkswagen van through their heritage, but particularly want to have a look at the Columbus.
Very, very solid.
Journey. There's probably a bar under the front.
Yeah.
To slide it. There you go.
That come forwards, or did it?
No, it tilts. So the base has slid. There you go.
That's better.
But it's still quite solid.
Yeah, but it's like a car seat, isn't it? Like you'd expect in a car. Something that's soft and squishy when you sit on it suddenly becomes quite firm.
So this is absolutely one of our favourite vans in terms of the seat here, the travelling seat. We've been able to slide that forwards to give you better angle, better recline for longer distance. Proper seat belts, but it looks more like, as Claire said, looks more like a car seat rather than a compromised caravan seat just to fit in. Pops up the top. All really nicely lined out with a zip-in liner. You see that?
I wonder if that's extra.
Probably. They've changed their fridges around so they were on the side there on the top. Nice window at the top, the front. The bathroom.
Big.
The mirrored bathroom door is going to help make it feel bigger, but a really nice bathroom. Look at that, it's really nice.
Now we will close it. Now I will grab my bag.
No bo tak, będzie mówić, nie? A mamy to tyle.
Just feel on the finish on the cupboard latches and the door handles and things, just really, really nicely well built, which is still based on the Fiat chassis. Yeah, like it. So this is the key thing that you've got to watch out with a lot of these vans. So the starting price on this Westfalia behind me that we've just been in is 64,000. But by the time you've added all the options, we get to 91,500. So that's a massive, massive jump. Is it worth it?
Well, what is this?
So Columbus number 2, this is a 6.4? 6? Ooh, what's that?
Mum, do you know what this
Spice
might be? Spices.
Very nice upholstery. Lovely finish to these cupboards. Nice. I like the flooring. It's like a boat.
That's quite nice.
And that one again will slide backwards and forwards. Isofix child seat mounting points. I mean, you're too big for that.
Yeah, this should fit in there as well.
Yeah. Slides through both ways. Exactly.
It's a nice seat.
Nice. Knives, maybe?
Knives. Knives aren't circular.
I haven't seen the price on this yet, but I fear it's going to be over 100,000. We'll find out in a minute, which sadly is going to mean it's probably over budget.
Dad, it's a double frame.
You do a really nice bathroom. Well, maybe if we can be persuaded to keep our next van for 20 years, it'll be worth the investment. Huge bed.
It's in mattress with these springs. Shower. It's a shower. There's like an outdoor one, don't you? And cool yourself down.
So a lovely mattress, huge bed, very open, very spacious. It's really nice finish. It's got a nice flock lining to the inside, which is going to help with insulation and noise. Just going to find out the price. So we've got the price board outside. It's the Columbus 600E first edition. Price comes in at under 80,000, which is a real surprise. This Columbus has got a really clever new seat arrangement with a swivelling double front seat.
Good.
So
So if we were both in the front, Harry,
ability to carry 5 people.
you can see much from behind. The wheels.
Hmm? So in this one you've also got a taller fridge with a wardrobe underneath, so you have less countertop space. So we hope you've enjoyed the video. Remember, if you have, please click the button to like and subscribe to follow our adventures here on Campervan Journey, and we look forward to catching you on our next video very soon.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks
Bye.
for watching.